When your LG portable air conditioner starts beeping incessantly, it's trying to tell you something important. This beeping sound is the unit's way of alerting you to a specific problem that needs attention. The beeping is typically accompanied by an error code that appears on the unit's digital display. These alphanumeric codes are the air conditioner's language for communicating exactly what's wrong. LG provides an online diagnostic tool to help decode these error messages, offering specific explanations and recommended solutions for each code. Understanding these codes is your first step toward resolving the issue. Let's examine the most common error codes you're likely to encounter. CH01 indicates an indoor temperature sensor issue. This means the sensor that monitors room temperature is either disconnected or malfunctioning. CH03 signals a drain pump failure, typically caused by a clogged drain pipe that prevents proper water removal from the unit. CH34 warns of high discharge temperature, which means the unit is overheating and needs to cool down before restarting. This can also indicate abnormal pressure requiring professional attention. CH38 indicates low gas detection, meaning your unit has low refrigerant levels. This typically requires professional service to refill the refrigerant. Finally, P2 or FL codes indicate that the drain pan is full of water. This is especially common in high humidity conditions and requires immediate draining to prevent overflow. These error codes are your air conditioner's diagnostic system, designed to help you identify problems quickly and accurately. Recognizing what each code means puts you one step closer to getting your unit back to optimal performance. When your LG portable air conditioner starts beeping, begin with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, check your power supply and ensure the unit is properly plugged in. Next, check your remote control batteries and replace them if needed. A weak battery can cause communication issues. Try resetting the unit by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple reset can resolve many temporary issues. If you see error codes P2 or FL, your water tank is full and needs to be drained. This is one of the most common causes of beeping. To drain the water tank, turn off and unplug the unit. Locate the drainage nozzle at the bottom of the unit, place a container underneath, and open the drain cap. Dirty air filters are a major cause of AC problems. They restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. LG recommends cleaning filters every 2 weeks during regular use. Ensure the outdoor condenser unit is free from obstructions. Blocked airflow can cause the system to overheat and trigger error codes. If error codes CH01, CH02, or CH61 appear, you have a sensor problem. These codes indicate issues with temperature or humidity sensors that need inspection. Check sensor connections and clean any dust or debris. If sensors appear damaged or disconnected, they may need professional replacement. For complex issues like compressor problems or refrigerant leaks indicated by error codes E1 or F1, contact an authorized service center. These require professional expertise. Always check your warranty before attempting repairs beyond basic maintenance. DIY repairs on complex components may void your warranty coverage.